Welcome back. Today we're going to go through starting to work in Photoshop, either by creating a new document or just going straight to open up a graphic to work on. All right, so here we have our startup screen. Over on the left side here, we have create new or open. We're going to go ahead and create new. All right, and eventually our create new document window will appear. A couple things with it. If you look across the top here, you'll see some kind of categories that you can produce graphics for: photo, print, art, illustration, web, mobile, film, video. All right. What these will do is based off of how you're going to present your graphic, or what medium you'll use to show your graphic off. You can choose kind of a preset size to match how they want it to be put out. All right, so film and video, if you're going to put it on the web as a video or whatever, you can have all these predetermined sizes and resolutions and here. All right, you also can customize any of these presets here over here on the right side by these preset details here. All right, and being able to change the width, the height, the orientation, the measurement that we use, the resolution depending on if it's going to be print or on screen. Same thing with color mode, print or on screen. And then starting with your background color, you can choose a color or have it transparent. All right, so when you kind of decide what size you want and all the different things that go with it, you can, in the bottom right, click Create New, or over here, you can just double click and it will open it up. All right, so I'm going to go back default Photoshop size just for this. Double click on it, and it goes ahead and opens up our document, our work area. All right, and I'm not on the startup screen, but when we were there just a second ago, we had the option to open. All right, from here, if we click that, it's the same way as if we would go to the file menu here and choose open. All right. Both ways, it will bring you to this open here. On the left side, just navigate to where your pictures are saved, and you can click, double click the file or select it and click open in the bottom right. All right, so just to go through the work area here, across the top, we have all of our menus: file, edit, image, layer, type, select, filter, 3D view, and window. Depending on what you're working with, these menus will be able to help you with that. Like if you're working with type, text, you can go to the type menu. If you want to do stuff with your layers, it would be the layer menu. For the selections to deselect something, then you can go to the select menu there. All right, underneath all of the menus here, you have your options bar. All right, each tool, which is the toolbar on the left side here, each tool has different options of how it can work or how it will function. All right, as I click through all of the tools, you'll see that options bar there is changing depending on the tool that I have selected. All right, and then underneath the options bar, and next to the right of our toolbar here, we have our document panel, our document windows. All right, we can have multiple documents open, All right, here we have the untitled, the create new that we did, and then also the file opening straight to a picture that we did just a second ago. All right, and you can flip back and forth, similar to how you have tabs in a browser. And then on the far right side here, we have all of our different panels. They can be closed, open by the white arrows that you see on each panel section to kind of customize your work area, your workspace here. You can also, if you hit the panel options, which is the 3 horizontal lines here, you can close it, even go into different aspects of it, close the group or close the tab to get it to go away or whatever. All right, to make more room, I'll say. All right. As you are doing that, stuff like that, if you accidentally close something out, you can't find it, or you move it, then the window menu back up at the top allows you to open up any panel that you may have closed out or moved around. All right, that we'll say that you need. All right. The one big panel that we'll work with the most is going to be our layers panel, which should be in kind of your bottom right hand corner. Mine is here, taking up about half of the right side there.